Hello guys, welcome to Canvas Window Art Channel. Today we'll be trying to answer NIFT Entrance Examination that was held in the year of 2015 for creative ability test. The question was, draw a poster on anyone. There are three proverbs given as an option. The first proverb is, where there is a will, there is a way. Second is, better late than never. Third one is, on every cloud there is a silver lining. So these are the proverbs given as a question. In these three proverbs, I have taken to answer where there is a will, there is a way. To answer this question, we need to understand what is the difference between poster and other drawings. Poster is more of communicative illustration or communication media to the public, to mass media. So poster can be created for any event or the product, or promote social issues or the campaign. So that is all come under posters. Posters can be created with illustration, visual illustration, as well as only with words, and there are different type of posters. Now here there are proverbs given to answer as a visual depiction. To answer the first proverb, I have taken the story, well-known story, Thirsty Crow. So that is definitely related to the proverb, where there is a will, there is a way. I think everybody knows about the story very well. Now here, to draw the story as a poster, I have simplified the crow with a very simple shapes. Now here I have I'm trying to create a bird, the crow, with using the basic shapes. A simple circle for the head and the oval for the body, and so these are the basic, very basic, we have studied from the KG classes, so that we are applying here. Even that is the basics of drawing, how to convert the basic shapes into the object or the living thing, living creature. Now we have created the basic structure of the bird, added beak. After the rough sketch, I am trying to add details to the bird. Here I am not trying to draw a realistic drawing. I have simplified and making as a cartoon type of drawing. So in this question, to answer this question, you need a better idea, a creative, a brilliant idea to relate the proverb with the picture illustration. Now try adding the legs sitting on the pot. The story is, actually the bird is very thirsty, searching for the water, and then It found the water inside the pot, very little. It's got an idea, because it definitely without the water it cannot survive, so that the bird wanted to drink the water, so that he got the idea and put the pebbles inside the pot. Water came up, it drank the water happily. So that was the story, everyone knows about it. Now we have taken the moral of the story to relate the proverb. Now here I am not worrying about the perfection and as well as the proportion. We are not working with the proportions here. Comparing to the part, the bird is so small. Anyhow, so these are all the exception in making of poster. So the main objective is to communicate effectively to the people. We have to convey the message to the people very effectively, so that we cannot restrict with the proportions and other things. So that is my perception. See here, I do the part and with a simple basic shapes, and inside the part we have put the pebbles also. And here the clever brain may ask, why the pot is if the pot is opaque like a mud pot, it won't be visible transparently. The pebbles are not visible. But here again the logic is broken. To show the communicate better to the viewers, I have shown the pebbles also as a transparent manner. And now the water drops added to show the backdrop, to show the situation of the story. I have depicted as a tree without leaves and a small house at the background, to emphasize the crow and the pot. And also depicted the sun, hot burning sun, on the top of the illustration or the poster. So this is the very rough sketch. I'm using Staedtler color pencil on A4 size of drawing paper. After the rough drawing, you could create fair drawing now. If they asked for coloring the picture, you could color the picture. Otherwise, you can try to fair the drawing with light and shade. I'm using the color pencil. I think you had to work according to the description of the question. If they asked for only with the pencil, you had to use only the pencil. And if they asked for using the color pencil, you have to use the color pencil. Now making the rough to a fair drawing. Very simple outline, dark outline given to the picture. To crack NIFT Entrance Examination, you need very brilliant understanding on basics of drawing, as well as you need a very good idea, creative ideas, presence of mind, as well as color knowledge. You should be a very good observer. You should observe the surrounding to understand the society better. Because of the observation, you could create wonderful product creations. So, a designer can be a very good observer. From the observation, you could develop very creative products and other things. Because when you're observing the society only, you will come to know about the problems on the society, and from the problems only you could create, to solve the problem you could create better product to solve the problems. So here we have outlined or fair the drawing with a little dark lines. Added the water droplets. Then if you wanted, you could shading the picture, added shadow to a part. According to the direction of the light, you have to add the shadow, and also as well as you have to shade part. Here we made a very simple sketch. Suppose you like to add the border to a picture, whatever may be, so that is all you have to add it when you are attending the examination. It's just an idea how to create a poster. Simple cross hatching technique I am using to shade the picture. Now here mostly we are coming to a end of this tutorial. As I said earlier, I am also conducting crash courses on basics of drawing to understand drawing better, to crack NIFT, NID and NATA examination, entrance examination. If you want to take classes, Skype classes, online classes with me, you can please call me or mail me. I hope you like this video tutorial very much. I think this will be very much helpful to NATA, NIFT and NID aspirants. Subscribe, comment and share it to our friends. We will meet again with another tutorial. Thank you. Thanks for watching.